Come with me as we step into paradise reclaimed from history itself. MSC's Ocean Cay. Ocean Cay is about 20 miles south of Bimini, Bahamas. This is a man-made item, was originally used to mine aragonite sand, which is used in industrial purposes for removing pollutants from wastewater. In 2015, MSC signed a 100-year lease and spent over $200 million to change this area into a marine reserve and a destination for their US-based itineraries. It is the only private marine reserve in the Bahamas, which encompasses about 64 square miles. On this island, that is a destination for their US ship. As you can see, there are many things to do here in this beautiful island. MSC has planted several local species of plant life. There are several beaches. To be exact, there is 8 beaches, 7 of which passengers can use. The 8th is for the individuals that live and work on the island. On the island, you'll see these transport pavilions. That way it is quite a bit of walk, but they do have a shuttle golf cart kind of thing, more like a tram that runs the island and makes it easier. You can just hop on, hop off as you wish. There is the yacht club member only area with their own private beach, private places to eat if you're a part of that. You will find these food trucks throughout the island. That is one thing that is nice. There are plenty of places to grab a bite or a drink. And like I said, wildlife here on the island is prevalent, such as these birds playing in a recently formed puddle, and all the marine life encompassing the island. This is a really clean island. They spend a lot of time keeping things clean and well taken care of as well. One of the beautiful beaches there as well. On the island, there are several activities that you can do. There's a lighthouse that you can climb. You can ride jet skis, kayaks, snorkel. There's even a sunset champagne cruise. Or if you want to go and get married, they have a special pavilion just for weddings with a beautiful turquoise backdrop, as you see here. It is one of the most beautiful places in the world that you can tie the knot, and you can easily set all that up with MSC. There is a spa on the island as well, where you can get pampered and just relax and enjoy the beautiful ocean breeze as they whisk away every worry. One of the things I find cool is the lighthouse here on Ocean Cay. The lighthouse on Ocean Cay, there you can climb to the top and get beautiful views of the surrounding area. There's a bar at the base of the lighthouse. This lighthouse is upfitted with several LED lights, and by several I'm probably talking thousands, that transform it at night. They do light shows, beach parties, all involving the lighthouse. So if you are on an overnight itinerary, that is definitely worth it. This is one of my favorite places to come sit and enjoy a beverage, as I am just taking in all the beauty of this island. It's hard to believe that this was just an industrial wasteland not long ago. If you found this information helpful, definitely please hit that subscribe button, and in a small world, travels large.